it's not there, right? Okay, what about other files? What about executable files? Here you don't have star, right? But here if I give -f, the executable file is denoted by star, right? Can you be able to see? Can you be able to see? Yes, right? So what about normal regular file? It is same as it is it clear? So yeah, so this way the output is displayed is different. Okay, same output only, ls and ls-f is same output only. Star indicates star like it has a different meaning in shell. Okay, that I will explain you. Uh just know it is denoted by star, that's it. Is it clear? It is indicated, executable file is indicated by star, and documents or directory are indicated by slash, that's it. Okay, it doesn't mean anything, just it is indicating. The star is indicating just it is an executable file. Yeah. So see here, so same output only, ls and ls-f, we are getting the same output only, but the way the output is displayed is different, right? So directory, if you observe, directories are ending with a character slash. So if something is ending with slash, then we should understand that it is a directory. Is it clear? And for normal files, it will be simply the file name only. If it is an executable file, you can see star here. Okay, am I going so fast? Okay, I'll go slowly. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what is the difference between ls and ls-f? Slash, right? So what is the difference? Like if I give ls, what I'm getting? What if I give ls, what will be my output? Normal ls. If I give ls, what will be my output, guys? If I give ls, it will list the files and directories, right? Okay, if I give ls, it will list the content of files and directories. Okay, so that is the working of ls. Do you agree with me? Okay, so now along with the command ls, I am passing some options. What is the option I am passing now? What is the option I am passing now? ls-f. So whenever you pass an option, you need to give hyphen. Okay, whenever you pass an option, you need to give hyphen. Is it clear? So this is one option. Hyphen f is an option or argument, you can tell. Okay, so I am passing this option along with the ls command. Is it clear? So if I execute, what I'm getting? What I'm getting? Yeah, same output only. Whatever output I got in ls, same output only I'm getting here also. But what is the difference? Can you observe anything differently? Yeah. Okay, so what I'm getting is this is to ls-f. So what is the behavior of this? So this is to classify the file content and directory. Okay, so now we are getting the same output or different output, to tell me. ls and ls-f, same output only, but some behavioral change is there. Do you agree with me? Same output, but some behavioral change is there. Do you agree with me? Yes. So if you observe the names of directory, if I inside the ls-f, what is there? What is there? What is the difference between ls and ls-f regarding the directory? Blue color is directory, right? What is there? Slash is there, forward slash is there. Okay, forward slash is there. Okay, so uh okay, same output only, but the way of output displayed is different. Okay, so directly if you observe, there is some slash. Okay, so if something is ending with slash, then we should understand that it is a directory. Is it clear, guys? Up to this, is it clear, right, for everyone? for everyone? Up to this, is it clear, right? You tell me, then we'll move to the next thing. Yeah. What about others? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll go slowly. Okay. So this is nothing but directory. Okay. Okay. So if something is ending with slash, then we should understand that it is a directory. Okay. So, and for normal files, how do you tell it is a normal file? What color it is? Normal file. Black, right? Black. Okay. Black color. Okay. Okay. So, and for normal file, it will be simply the file name only. Only the simply file name. It won't be any characters indicating the normal file, right? Okay. So suppose if it is an executable file, green color is executable, right? Whenever the file which is in green in color, that is executable. Do you agree with me? Right? Okay. If it is an executable file, you can see the star after the file name. Can you be able to see? Can you be able to see? I'm highlighting here. Can you be able to see? Yes, right? Yeah. So whenever there is a star indicating after the file name, it means it is an executable file, right? If it is a directory, then slash. So this way also you can categorize like this or classify whether the content is a file or the directory. Okay. So ls command is to list out the content of the current working directory. Okay. If you use -f option, you will get the classification of content. It will categorize. Okay. So what are the other options with ls command? How can we use ls command? How can we use ls command? To know that we can refer a document. Okay. To know that we can refer a document. Okay. So that is the manual reference page you can tell, or document you can tell. Okay. So for each command, there will be a manual page. Okay. You can open the document in the command. In the command line itself, you can open the document. Okay. It's already inbuilt during the installation. Okay. You don't need to download any document for referral purposes. Okay. It's available in the command prompt itself. Okay. So from command prompt itself, you can open. Okay. So to open the manual reference page of any command, we have a command. The command is man, man. Is it clear? I'll write it here. Man is nothing but manual reference page. Okay. Or you can say document. Okay. Whenever you have some doubt regarding any command, you can refer this document. The command name is man. Man is a command to open the manual reference page of any command. Is it clear? Okay. If I want to know more about ls command, guys. Okay. I want to know more about ls command. So I need to give the command man space that command ls. So see here, if I execute, what happens? What I'm getting? It is listing out the details of the ls command. The manual page is listing out the content of the ls command. Is it clear? So what I'm getting here? What is ls, guys? It is listing, right? ls is nothing but it lists directory contents. Okay. It is listing directory contents, right? So now this is the manual reference page. Okay. Because we can't understand each and every line, because okay, we can't understand each and every line, because again it's a technical document, right? Like whatever is important option, I will tell you. Okay. So whatever there is a requirement, whenever you need a ls command with some options, you can come back and refer the manual page. Okay. It's like a technical document. Okay. So for each line, there will be some particular set of like important options. Okay. I'll be giving one or two option in the class session. Okay. For each command, other options when requirement comes, we will learn. Is it clear? Yeah. So how to read this? Use up arrow and down arrow for scrolling up and down, right? Use up arrow and down arrow to scroll up and scroll down. Is it clear? So the first section indicates the name of the command. Okay. The name of the command ls and it will tell you what is the behavior of ls, what it will do. Is it clear? Is it clear? And then it's given as synopsis, right? Right. So that is how do you use this command, that is synopsis. How do you use this command? That is, I told you, right? Along with the ls command you can pass some option. This is the thing, and the file name you can give. Is it clear? Okay, so whenever given in the square bracket, there is, this is an optional only. Whenever it's given in a square bracket, it's an optional. Is it clear? You can simply use ls command, or if you want to pass some options you can pass also. Okay, we were executing simply ls command only, no, earlier. Before this we were simply executing ls command only, right? Okay, and we were using some options, that is hyphen capital F we saw, right? So either you can execute ls command with option or without option, or file name also. Okay, or if you want any requirement which is to be using some options, you can give options also. That is your wish, that is the user's wish. Is it clear? Okay, and next is about description, right? So what is this? Okay, so in this section only you will be having all the options. Can you be able to see what I told you guys? Like whenever there is an hyphen, it means it is an option. Okay, so this is the option, this is an option, right? So these are all option, right? So all the options for the ls command. Okay, so see here we have an important option now. I will show you. Can you be able to see hyphen a? That is the first option we have. Okay, we have an important option, that is hyphen a. What this hyphen a will do? Okay, so this is, do not ignore entries starting with dot. What does this mean? That is nothing but this will list out all the contents, even entity. Okay, the content is starting with dot, right? Like all the hidden files it will list out all the hidden files. There will be some hidden files, right? Normally in windows and all, you'll be using, right, some hidden files. So similarly in linux also there will be some hidden files, so it will list out all the hidden files if you give hyphen a. Is it clear, guys? That is the, okay, that is the meaning of hidden files. Okay, hidden files is nothing but there will be some confidential files, right, some security related files. Okay, that will list out. Okay, some commands, if you take some security related commands and all, it will be very very confidential, so those are hidden files. Okay, if you list out, if you want to list out all the hidden files, you can give this hyphen a option along with the ls command. Is it clear? Yeah, so, and hyphen f we saw, right? What is the, what is the behavior of hyphen f, hyphen capital F? We saw, right? Classify. What it will do? It will classify the content, right? So how would classified when we give, when we gave hyphen f? What about directory? How would classified? By backslash, right? What about executable file? What about executable? Star. What about normal regular file? Nothing, right? Nothing. Simply normal regular file. Okay, it is represented by nothing, right? It is printing as it is, right? So that is the thing. Okay, so if it is a slash, it is a directory. If it is a star, then it is a executable file, right? Yeah. Okay, so we have other option, something called hyphen h. Can you be able to see the screen? Hyphen h. What is this hyphen h, guys? Like that is to get the size of the files or the directories which is in the human readable format. which human can easily read. Is it clear? That is the thing. And also we have this -L option, something called -L. I will show you. Can you be able to see -L? What is this -L? -L option that is used for long listing. Is it clear? It is used for long listing, right? So more details. Suppose if you want some more details about each files and directories, you can use this -L. Okay, and you can change the order of output also, display order of the display also by using -R option. You have something called -R option here. Like example I will show you guys. Okay, now I'm just explaining all the options. I will execute and see. Okay, I will execute and I will show you with an example. Okay, don't worry. Okay, can you be able to see now -R? Okay, so it will change the order of the output display. Okay, and we have something called -T. Can you be able to see what is -T? Okay, -T is another option to arrange the file content. Like Anirudh, when we are executing those options, you will understand. Okay, just listen in the class. Okay, I will demonstrate you with an option. Okay, okay, see here, what is -T option? -T is another option to arrange the file content based on time. Okay, whether if you are executing, whether if you are creating some file name, okay, based upon the time you created, it will list. Okay, that is -T. Okay, so these are the important options, guys. Okay, so whenever requirement comes, we'll read this. Okay, so normally for example, if you buy any electronic device, okay, to your home, let's say fridge or washing machine or bike to your home, okay, they will give you one small book, right? That's what manual page. Will you read all this and then use for your washing machine or some other thing initially? No, right? No, right? When will you read that? Whenever some issue comes, you will search for that book, right? Okay, you'll search for that book. With any option, you will find any similarly. Okay, okay. So similarly, this man page also, with basic knowledge, you can start using it, using the command. So later, if there is any requirement comes, you can just search that option, you can just use it. Okay, this is how we can use the manual page, right? So this is how you can use the manual page. Okay, and to quit from the command prompt, you can just give Q. Is it clear? Q to quit. Okay, okay. So I will tell you, we have seen man command name we should give, that is ls or any command, that is -q. -q is what, I mean, not -q. If you give q, what happens? It will quit, right? Yeah, it will quit from the manual page. Yeah. Okay, so let us see one by one. Okay, so ls-l, what it will do, what is the man page says? Do you remember what is -l will do? -l, long list, right? It will long list, right? So if I execute, see what happens, what I'm getting. It will long list all the files and directories. Can you be able to see uh here? This is nothing but the executable permission. Okay, I told you, right? Whenever you create a file, there will be some set of executable permission, right? So here, this is a normal regular file, so I am having only read permission and write permission, right? But here, see, this is an executable file, right? This green color is an executable file, so it is having the permission X, whereas here we don't have X, right? Can you be able to relate it? This is normal regular file, it is not having the executable permission, it is having only the read and write permission, whereas in this executable permission, executable file, we have all the permission, right? Read, write, and executable. Executable is denoted by X. Can you be able to relate it, guys? Difference between executable and normal regular file. Can you be related? Please respond in chat. Yes, right? Yeah. Yeah. So ls hyphen l will give you the long listing. Can you be able to see? Also, you can see some bytes here, size of the files and the date it has been created. Can you be able to see? X is nothing but executable permission, guys. Okay. Prem Sagar, X is nothing but executable permission. Okay. X is nothing but executable permission. Okay, that is denoted by the green in color. Files which are in green in color are executable file. Okay, whenever there is a executable permission, it will have the permission X. Is it clear? Where X in normal color, normal files agana, like where? This is executable file only, right? Last file, green in color. It's green in color only. It is also green in color having executable permission. Then where can able to see? So those things and all I will be explaining in the further classes. Okay, don't confuse yourself, just see this alone. Okay, those things and all I will explain you afterwards. If I tell everything, you will be confused. Is it clear, Shreya? Just listen whatever I say. Is it clear? Yeah. So what is this L, hyphen L will do? Hyphen L will long list the content. Is it clear? So what are all the contents we are getting? Extra details, right? Extra details, right? So read and write permission, the date which the file is created, then the size of the bytes also we are getting, right? That is the thing. So here can you be able to see what is this D here? The first character, what is this D? Why we are having this D? D is for directory, right? Yeah, D stands for directory. Okay, comparing the content, you can guess, right? D means directory. So all these are directories. Okay, the first one represents the type directory, whether it is a directory or file, right? If it is a file, you can see this hyphen. You can see this hyphen. So this hyphen means it is file. Okay, so this D means it is a directory. Is it clear? So that is the thing. Okay, so and coming back to this green color file, both are files only, but this is executable file. Okay, so next section, can you guess what is about? This is permission. Okay, this is permission, read permission, write permission, and executable permission. Okay, and what else you can able to see again after this? First one doesn't have any executable permission. Second one, username. Yeah, then this is something called group name. Okay, that and all I will explain you later. This is bytes. Then this, the month, date, and time it has been created, right? Okay, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Now you tell me this content, right? Whenever we execute, we executed this, right? ls hyphen f, right? ls hyphen l we executed. Okay, so and looking at this, can you just tell me this content is arranged in any order? Which order is this file arranged in? Any order? What order it is arranged? Can you guess? Looking at the file name. Like dollar symbol, I will explain you later, guys. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Okay, I will explain you later. Dollar symbol means if I tell you everything, you will be confused. Okay, it is been arranged in the alphabetical order, right? Yes, right. It is been arranged in the alphabetical order. Okay, so first numbers are there, then alphabetical order. Okay, we can also arrange or rearrange this content in the order based on when it is last accessed. Okay, based on the time also we can arrange. How? There is an option, right? Based upon the time. What is the option we saw on the man page? Hyphen T, right? Okay, hyphen T. Okay, yeah. So ls, what is the command we need to give? Ls hyphen T, right? Yeah. So okay, so if I give, what happens? We are getting this time and all, right? We are getting this time and all, right? We are getting this time and all. Why the username is twice? Like whenever you create a file, uh okay, whenever you create a file, some group name will be created. Okay, that's why it has been mentioned twice. Okay, if I tell you everything now, you won't be able to understand, guys. Okay, so that is nothing, but that is not nothing username, it is group name. Okay, yeah, you can use two options together. Yes, Shreya, you can very well use. Okay, so can you be able to see how it is arranged? If I give ls hyphen t, if I execute, see what happens. What I'm getting? Like I'm getting like this, right? So what can we use? I need to long list, right? So along with the hyphen t option, we need to use ls hyphen l hyphen t, we need to use. It's not showing time. Yeah, why? If I give hyphen t alone, it's not showing time. Why? I need to long list, right? ls will give you the only the list of directories and files and directories content. I need to long list, and also we need to modify according to the time, so that we need to give two options, that is ls hyphen l hyphen t we need to give. See here, I can give ls hyphen l hyphen t, or else we can even give ls hyphen lt. See here, can you be able to see? Now can you see, is the order is based on time now? Now it is based on time, right? The recent files at the top and the old files are at the bottom. Yeah, this is same as ls hyphen l only. So yeah, ls hyphen l only, but it will modify according to the time, right? Like output and all, it's same only the behavioral change is there. Okay, whenever each option, is it clear? Okay, okay, if I give ls hyphen lt, it will also fetch you the same result. Can you be able to see? Yeah, so you can either use hyphen l hyphen t, or just you can combine hyphen lt. Okay, both we are getting the same result only. Okay, based on the time it is created. Okay, so now where are the new files? Where are the new files? At the top, right? At the top. Okay, why not just ls hyphen t? Okay, Sagana, like what ls will do? What ls will do? You tell me what ls will do. Ls will list only the files and directories, right? It will only list the files and directories. It won't long list. For long listing, if you want time, if you want to print the time with read write permission and also the date, you need to give hyphen l option. Only if you give hyphen l option, you will get those details, right? What is hyphen t? modified time, right? Okay, so along with the -L option, you need to give -T. Okay, if you give along with -L and -T, you will get the long listing content along with the modified time. Is it clear? No, you need to execute ls -L and -T. Okay, you can't give -T and -L, right? Okay, so see here, in case if I want to get the new files at the bottom, we have to go for an option, right? One more option is there. What is that? What is the option? Why time is not in order? It's in order only, right? Yeah, reverse, right? Reverse. So I need to give ls -lt. Along with this, what I need to give? What I need to give? R. Yes, right? R I need to give. Okay. So if I give like this, it will fetch you the files in the reverse order while sorting. Okay. If you want to sort in reverse order, you can use -R option. Okay. So I can either use -R, or if you see the functionality while sorting, we have two options. Either you can use -R, or I can use -reverse. Right. That's what the man page says, right? -reverse also you can say. Both will work the same only. Okay. Either I can use -R or -reverse. Right. Okay. So this is called as a short option and long option. Okay. -LTR is nothing but, okay, it will fetch you the long listing content with the modified time, and also with reverse. If I want to reverse the order while sorting, I can give ls-ltr. Is it clear? See here, we have to arrange based on time, so we will have to include -t also, and again r is for rearranging. Is it clear? Now can you see? Now can you see? New files are at the bottom. New files are at the bottom or not? March 9th, today's date. Yes, right? New files are at the bottom. Old files are at the top. Is it clear, guys? Okay, can you check? Hyphen means it is an option, guys. Okay, it is one of the option you need to give. Okay, so in case now currently the size are in bytes, right? Okay, if I want to view the size in human readable format, we have one more option. What is that option? If I want to fetch the result in human readable format, ls, yeah, -h is for human readable format. So I need to give ls command along with lhr, right? lh I need to give, because I need to long list also, and I need to get the result in the human readable format. If I execute, see, can you be able to see? It's in the human readable format. Is it clear? Okay, to read the size in human readable format, you can use this -h option. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. So in case if my current working directory, okay, there are some hidden files, right? Have you heard about the concept hidden files in Linux? It is already in bytes only. Okay, if you want to read as it is, it will always be in bytes only. Okay, have you heard about hidden files concept in Windows? Some files or some directories you can hide, right? You can hide from the user, right? Okay, so in Linux also there will be some hidden files. Okay, you can make it as hidden files. Okay, to list out, to check the hidden files, we have an option. What is the option we saw in the man page? -a, right? Okay, so we have an option with ls command to view the files including the name starting with dot. Okay, Like here in Linux, if the file is hidden, it will be starting with the file name dot. Okay, the name starting with dot. Okay, is it clear? See here, let me open the man page first. Okay, so hidden files, right? Hidden files will have the name starting with the character dot. So with the option I saw, I can use hyphen a, right? Can you be able to see? Hyphen a, capital hyphen a. Do not ignore entry starting with dot. That is the meaning. If you want to list out all the hidden files also, you can use this option ls hyphen a. See here, ls space hyphen a. If I give, what I'm getting, can you be able to see now the hidden files starting with the dot? So these are the hidden files, right? Is it clear? Yeah. So now along with the output, okay, files and directories, we are getting some more output also. What is this? All these things, if you see, they are starting with dot. All the files starting with dot. All these are nothing but the hidden directories and hidden files, right? Yeah. So hyphen a is to list out all the files and directories in a current working directory, right? Okay. Shall we just summarize what are all the options we saw? What are all the options we saw? Shall we summarize what are all the options we learned in ls? Can we summarize it? We saw first ls. What is the first option we saw? ls hyphen. What is the option we saw? Capital F, right? That's what we first saw, right? Yeah. Hyphen F. What it will do, guys? What it will do? It will classify. Yeah, classify the content, right? Yeah. Then ls hyphen l we saw. What it will do? What it will do? ls hyphen l. What it will do? Long list. Okay, correct. Long listing, you can say. Okay. Okay. Yes, correct. 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 Then we saw along with hyphen l. If I want to modify the content along with time, what is the fine? ls hyphen lt, right? So what it will do? It will sort, right? It will sort by modification time, right? Yeah. So then ls along with ls hyphen lt, if I want to reverse the time, okay, the latest file should be in the bottom, so this is ls hyphen ltr, right? So it is sort by time. It will sort the long listing by time and in the reverse order, right? Yes. Then what we saw? ls hyphen lh we saw, right? What it will do, guys? It will list the size in human readable format. Yes, human readable format, right? So then at last what we saw? To list the hidden files, ls hyphen a is the option, right? So it will give you, it will list all hidden files as well as directories, right? Is it clear? Yeah. So these are the hidden files. Yeah, yesterday, yeah, we can do that. For that, we have some commands. I will explain you when I will teach that command. Okay, whenever when the topic comes, I will teach you. Okay, we have that specific commands for that. Yeah, we have. Basically we can change the position of every option. No, no, like in the order only you need to give. Okay, if you change the order, you won't get the output. Pranav, is it clear? Okay. Okay, so when I give ls, I'm getting the content of current working directory, right? So currently in my system, in my location, what are all inside this, I want to check. Okay, so there is, what is there inside the directory? So now I can give this. Okay, if I give ls, what will happen? I am getting some files and directories, right? Okay, I am getting some files and directories. Okay, normally in Windows you tell me, okay, normally in Windows you tell me, like if you have any doubts, like please post it at the last, guys. Okay, I will answer your all your doubts. Okay, now please listen the class. See here, so if I give ls, what happens? I'm getting all the files and directories, right? So what is directories normally? Directories are folders, right? Okay, in Windows it will be like folders. Okay, inside the folders, what it will be there? Normally inside the folders, what it will be there? Files, right? Files and datas, right? Files and datas. Okay, so suppose we have some directories here. Okay, blue color is denoted as directories, right? Do you agree with that? Okay, suppose uh, in this directories we may have some contents, we may have some files, or we may not have some files. Suppose for example, if I want to view the files or data present inside this directory new, this is one directory, right? This is one folder. If I want to view the files which is located inside this directory, what command I can give? So I need to give ls command, because ls, what ls will do? It will list the files and directories, right? It will list the directory content. So I can give ls and the direct space and the directory name I can give. Why directory name? Because inside the directory I need to find what are all the files available there, right? So if I give ls space and the directory name new, what I will get? So I'm getting some files which is present inside this directory new. Is it clear? Okay, so you tell me, is it same output for both ls and ls new? Is it the same output for both ls and ls new? No. Is it same or different? It's entirely different, right? It's entirely different, right? So the reason is ls will give you the content of current working directory, present working directories content. Okay, so what is there inside this new? This is directory content. This is directory content, right? So inside this directory we have these many files. Inside these directories we have these many files. Okay, so now this directory, right, this is the argument to the ls command. Okay, this is not an option. Option always starts with hyphen. Okay, so this is an argument. Is it clear? So it's now argument to the ls command. Okay, so when you give options, output will be same, but the output order displayed will be different. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah, yeah, you can give Shreya, like if you give ls, no, like, yeah, you can give like that also. Yeah, this is the path, right? It will give, it will fetch you to this directory 22047, right? So see here, so when you give option, output will be same, but the output order displayed will be different. Okay, so when you pass argument, the output itself is different. Okay, so when I give argument, the output is different. Okay, so if you give option, output will be same, but the order whatever we are getting displayed on the screen, that may vary, right? Okay, so now how to check it? uh okay, so it is showing cannot access. How can you access new? Because it is in my directory, right? It is in my file, right? I have created this directory. Maybe you would not created this directory. Is it clear? That is the thing, you cannot access it. Okay, so see here, if you give option, output will be same, but the order whatever you are getting displayed on the screen, that may vary. Okay, so now to check the content of other directory, you can give ls space and the directory name, right? So inside this new, what are those? These are the files inside this directory. Okay, you can also have other directories called subdirectories. Is it clear? Suppose in case if you want to check what are there inside the subdirectories also, we have an option. The option is you need to pass the command ls along with hyphen r, capital R you need to pass, and then the directory name new. Is it clear? So this R is nothing but it means this will list out the content of new and other directories, all these content. Okay, this hyphen R option means recursively it will go to each subdirectories and list all the contents. See here, if I execute, what happens? It is not only fetching you the directories and files, it is listing you the other subdirectories present inside this. Can you be able to see? Yes. So see here, okay, what we saw, ls ls and the directory name, if I pass, what it will give you? List. It will list you content of that particular directory, right? Okay, which is present inside that directory, those files it will list you. Okay, then if I pass ls hyphen r and the directory name, what it will fetch you? It will list content of directory as well as what, and the subdirectories also. Yes, perfect. So and the subdirectory recursively means what, guys? What do you mean by recursively? Any idea? Repeatedly. Okay, not repeatedly. Recursively means like forcefully, you can tell it forcefully, right? Yeah, it will fetch you all the details. If you have some contents inside the subdirectories also, it will fetch you. Is it clear with this ls command? Is this clear with this ls command? Yeah. So next topic is we will see about types of command. Like what you want to repeat? Be specific, what topic you want to repeat? Recursive means forcefully. Okay, it will fetch you all the contents, whichever is inside the directory it will fetch you. That is nothing but recursively. Is it clear? Man command is nothing but it is a manual reference page, guys. Okay, it is a manual reference page. Okay, whenever you have some doubts regarding some commands, you can refer to that manual page. That is man command. Is it clear? If you have any doubts or any option, if you want to use, if you have any doubts regarding some commands, you can use the man command along with that command option. Is it clear? Is it clear, Abdul? Yeah. So types of command. Okay, see here. So let me list it out. There are three types of commands available. Okay, one is shell built-in, right? So it is nothing but it is internal commands. Okay, So which means shell built-in, which means whenever we execute a command in the shell, okay, whenever we execute a command in the shell, see here, whenever we execute some command in the shell, what the shell will do, what I told you yesterday, I told you some three options, right? Three steps, right? What it will do, it will read the input from the user, then after reading, what it will do, it will search for the command binary file, right? Command, and it will search for the command binary file. So if the command binary file is found, you will get the output, right? Yeah, it will execute and you will get the output. So similarly, if the binary file is inbuilt in the shell application itself, then it is called as the shell built-in. Okay, shell built-in command. If the shell binary file is inbuilt, then it is called as the internal command. That is nothing but the first type. Okay, in case if the command binary file it is located, it is located in a different location in your system, what happens, then it is called as the non-shell built-in. Okay, non-shell built-in command you can tell. So it is nothing but external command. Is it clear? So if the binary file is available in the shell itself, then it is called as the internal command or shell built-in. So if it is available in the external memory location or any of the path, then it is called as the non-shell built-in. Why would the binary file be placed in the different location? Because some commands will be, some commands like reboot, okay, some commands like reboot, kill all, okay, so those are security related commands. So what happens if those files are inside the shell? It will affect the system performance, right? That is why it is in the different location. Is it clear, guys? Okay, that is the second type. Then we have something called aliased commands. Okay, so alias command is nothing but user defined commands. Okay, so it's like different names, okay, duplicate names. You can give a new name to the existing name, that is called as the user defined names. Okay, so these are the three types of commands. If you take any command, that will belong to any one of this category. Okay, you can check the type of the command also. There is a command to check the type of the command. The command is simply type. Okay, type is a command. See here, type is a command. Okay, and you can give the name of any command. For example, if I want to check the command type of pwd, just give the command type and then give the command pwd. So what type it is? It is a shell built-in. That is nothing but the first type. Is it clear? So let us check the type of ls command. So what is this? This is the third type, that is aliased. Normally this is the actual name. Okay, this is the alias name. Is it clear? So it belongs to the third category, that is aliased type. Is it clear? So next thing we will see about clear command. What is the type? So it is nothing but, it is also, what is the type of this? Clear is ashed. Ashed means what? Any idea? What is this actually? This is external or non-built-in. Okay, external command means command binary file will be available in the different location. That is this user slash bin slash clear. Okay, this is the location where the command binary file is available. Okay, and you can check the man also. Man is also a type of command, right? So type man. So what is this? What type of command man is? It is a non-shell built-in. That is external command. Okay, binary file is available in this path slash user slash bin slash man, right? And we'll check for type. Type is also a command, right? Let's check for type itself. Okay, so it is a shell built-in, that is first type. Okay, using the type command we can check which type the command belongs. Is it clear? So using type command we can check. Is it clear with the 3 types and how to check the types? Yeah. For shell built-in command, where would the binary reside? It will be in the same location path only. It is built in. Okay, that is called as the internal command. The binary file will be inbuilt in the shell itself, right? Okay. So see here, you tell me which command we can use to execute the current path. What is the command to know the current location or current path? PWD, right? Okay, PWD. Okay. So I'm getting the current path. Okay, PWD is a command to print working directory. So currently, this is my current working directory. This is my current working directory, right? So how do I get the content of my current working directory? Like I want to check the files and directories content. Which command I need to give? ls, right? So ls. Okay, I'm getting the list of content. Okay, ls command to list the content of current working directory. Okay, so now we are having some contents. Okay, how to find which is files and which is directories? How will you classify? By colors, right? By seeing the colors. Okay, so okay, in Linux, if I want to know the specific path inside one directory, if I want to, suppose in Linux, if I want to know the specific path inside one directory, okay, I can give the command in the command line. The command name is cd. Cd is for changing the directory. Cd means change directory. The command is cd. Is it clear? So now, if I want to change my directory to this new, this is one directory, right? New. It's in blue in color. Okay. So if I want to change to this directory, what can I give? cd new. Cd new, right? So cd space new I can give. Is it clear? So see here, if I execute, what will happen? Now let us check and execute and check. What will happen? Can you guess some behavioral change? Before, what is this? This is users home directory, right? Users directory. So now it has changed to user to new directory. Can you be able to check? Okay, now tell me, what is the command to check the current location path? If I want to check whether I'm in new directory or home directory, I want to check. What is the command? PWD, right? I want to give PWD. So now what is the content? What is my current location path? Now I'm in new directory, right? Okay, now I'm in new directory. Yes, it is changed to new, right? It is changed to new. Okay, from the user, initially it was what? Slash home slash the username it was. Now it is changed to new directory. Can you be able to relate? It is similar to Windows, right? If you want to like switch over some local disk C, D, E, some documents, you will get the location path, right? You will the path will be changed accordingly, right? So it is similar to that, right? Okay. So now, if I give ls, what happens? If I give ls, what happens? Which content of my directory it will be displayed in the terminal? If I give ls, what happens? Which one's directory content I will get? Which one's directory content I will get? New. Of course, the contents of new, right? See here. So if I execute, so these are the documents, contents I have in my directory. Okay. So now using cd, we can change our directory. Okay, so currently now I am in this directory new. Okay, so now you tell me, how can I come back to user directory? I want to come back to the user directory. I don't want to be in this directory new. I want to come back to the user directory. Okay, so to come back, the command is cd only. To come back, the command is cd only, but to cd we have to pass something. Okay, we have to pass something. Will direct you to the parent directory. See here, I need to pass dot dot. If I pass dot dot along with the cd command, it will direct you to the parent directory. What do you mean by parent directory? Any idea? Parent directory. Parent directory is nothing but the previous working directory. Yes, perfect. Okay, yeah, previous directory, right? So if I give cd dot dot and execute, what happens? What is my behavioral change? Is it in new directory or previous directory? Previous directory, right? It is not root. Okay, it is not root. Don't confuse yourself, Abdul. It's not root, it's users directory. Okay, root will be denoted by slash. I will explain you that also. Wait. Okay, it is now coming back to the users directory. Okay, so initially the current directory is new, so the parent directory of new is the username, that is Sudarshan. Yes, is it clear? So if I give cd dot dot, I will be in the parent directory, that is users directory, the current working directory. So how to check? What is the command I need to check whether I'm in the parent directory or not? What is the command to check the current location path? I need to check whether I'm in the users directory or new directory. What is the command to check? pwd. Okay, it will print you the present working directory, right? Okay, so now I am in the users directory. Okay, so okay, now I am in slash home slash Sudarshan. Yes, right? So suppose again if I give cd dot dot, what happens? Now I will be in which directory, guys? Now I will be in home directory, right? Again go to new directory. Like, don't confuse yourself. Will it go to new directory or home directory? What this dot dot will do? What this dot dot will do? Dot dot is, it will go to the previous, that is parent directory, right? What is mean by parent directory? It will go to the previous directory, right? It won't go to the next directory, it will go to the previous directory. cd dot dot. Okay, okay, so if I execute, what happens? Where I am in? How to check the current location path? What is the command? pwd, right? If I give pwd, where I am now, this slash home slash Sudarshan. Yes, right? Initially I was in the users directory. If I give cd dot dot, where it goes? It goes to the previous directory. What is my previous directory? Slash home, right? Yes. Okay, so now I am in the home directory. Okay, let me again do cd dot dot. Where it will go? Any idea where it will go? Previous directory. Okay, what is my previous directory? This is nothing but root. This slash is nothing but root. Okay, so if I execute, what happens? How to check the current location path? pwd, right? Okay, pwd I am giving. Okay, now I am in the root directory, right? Now I am in the root directory, that is the topmost level directory in shell, right? So okay, let me again give cd dot dot. Where I will go? Any idea? Again I am giving cd dot dot. Dot dot means it will go to the previous working directory, right? Okay, it will go to the previous working directory. Okay, again if I am giving cd dot dot, what I will get? Let's check. Okay, let's check whether it is printing error or root or user. Okay, any other answers where it will go? No directory. Yeah, no directory before root, but where it will go? You know that before root there is no directory, right? There is only topmost level directory, that is root. There is no directory beyond that. If I give cd dot dot, what is cd dot dot means? Dot dot means it will go to the previous directory, but what will be my behavior if I execute? Error with suggestion. Okay, same stay there. Okay, won't go, I think. Okay, stay. Okay, so let's execute it and see. Okay, we'll execute it and see. See here, if I execute, what happens? Let's check the content, current location part. Where I am now? Where I am I getting any error? Same, I'm in the same root directory. I'm in the same root directory. Okay, so let me again give cd dot dot. What happens? What happens now? What happens if I give again cd dot dot? Any idea? Same root. Okay. Okay, so I'm executing, I'm checking the pwd. So again I'm in the same root. Okay, again once more I'm giving cd dot dot. Finally, okay, once more let's try and check. Cd dot dot I'm giving. Okay, so again pwd to check the current location path where I'm in the same root, right? Okay, you tell me guys, like why am I not changing to any other directory? Why I'm still in root directory if I give cd dot dot how many ever times? But I'm not moving anywhere, right? Why? I'm just in the root directory only. Why? Yeah, there is no previous directory. Yes. So this root is the topmost level directory in Linux. Okay, before this directory, there are no other directory. So that's why we are still in root directory, even if you give cd dot dot how many ever times, right? So this is the topmost directory. So let me explain you. See here. So this is this slash is called as the root directory. Okay, root directory. This is nothing but you can tell topmost directory, right? So under this, we have something called, under this what we have guys, under this root what we have, om, right? Yeah, perfect, om we have. Okay, so under this om we have username, that is Sudarshan, yes, right? Yeah, user we can tell, right? User directory. Okay, then under this username what we have, new. Yeah, perfect, new, right? Okay. Okay, so inside this username I have new directory. So this is the structure. Okay, the topmost is the root directory, and below that om, then user and new. Okay, above this directory there are no more directories above the root directory. Okay, so that's why I was in the root only. How many ever times I give cd dot dot. Okay, now, okay, now how can I come back to user directory, that is Sudarshan is directory? How can I come back? Any idea guys? Please find me the path to go to the users directory. I want to go to Sudarshan is. Okay, like cd dot dot will go to the previous working directory, right? Others, it won't fetch you to the other, I mean, other directory, right? How can I go? No, single dot won't work. See, okay, let's go with Sanya answers. Okay, if I give, see here, currently I'm in the root directory, right? So how can I come to Sudarshan is directory? Like if I want to move to the user directory, okay, I will okay, I'll go to the Akash answers first. Okay, if I directly give Sudarshan is, what happens? Now I am in the root directory, right? I want to go to the users directory, so I am directly giving the users directory name. So what happens if I execute? What happens? What is the behavior guys? What I'm getting? If I give, I am getting the error, right? No such file or directory. Because why I'm getting this error? Why? Okay, I'm getting error, but why? At root Sudarshan S is not there. Yes, perfect. So see here, it is under root directory, right? Okay, see here, see the flow chart. Okay, so this is, I'll tell you, this is username. Okay, so it is not under root directory, right? Under root directory, what we have? Under root directory, what we have? Om, right? Okay, we don't have Sudarshan is directory. We have to go to om, and then only we have to go to this Sudarshan is directory. It is under om directory. So now what should I do now? See the flowchart and tell me. Okay, cd home I need to go, right, Gayatri? Yeah, cd home I need to go. Yes. So cd home I'm going. Okay, if I give cd space home, okay, now I'm in home directory, right? Okay, how to check? Okay, I'm in home directory only. Okay, perfect. From home, can we go to Sudarshan S directory? Is it possible? Yes, right? Can we go? Yeah, yeah, we can go. Okay, so let's say cd space and the username, right? Okay, so if I execute, what happens? What is my current location path, guys? Am I going to where I am in? Okay, I'm into Sudarshan S directory. Okay, so suppose if I want to go back to root directory, what command I have to give? Now again I have to go back to root directory. Abhishek, we can't try like this. I will tell you why. Okay, I will tell you why. Please wait. Okay, now tell me how to go to root directory. Cd dot dot, right? Okay, cd dot dot. Okay, cd dot dot will fetch you to the previous working directory, that is home. Then again we need to give cd dot dot, right, to go to the root directory. Okay, now I am in the, how to check pwd? Now I am in the root directory. Okay, so when I'm in the root directory, you can see this slash backslash. Okay, when I'm in the home directory, this is slash home. You can see this, right? So I am in users directory. This tilt is nothing but users directory. This tilt means users home directory. Okay, currently who is the user of the system? This Sudarshan, this name. This is the user, right? So inside home, we have this Sudarshan, yes, home directory. So this is the users home directory. Under this users home directory, we are having all the files. Okay, so this is the users home directory. Under this directory only, I'm having all my files and personal data. Is it clear? Okay, that only I'm having all my files and personal data. So whenever you open the new directory, you will be default in the users home directory only. Is it clear? See here, if I am opening my new terminal, for example, if I am opening my new terminal, where I am in? Am I in the root? Am I in the root? Where I am? What is the default current location path? Users directory, right? Right? Can you be able to understand? Yeah. Okay. So see here, okay, it will be users home directory. Okay, this tilde is the default. This tilde is the default path. Okay, new terminal. Is it clear? Okay. So see here, if I give pwd where I am, it's in the users home directory. So if I give ls, it will list you all the contents of directories present inside this directory. You can go directly to root by using cd slash. Yes, Gayatri, you can go. That's I will explain you all the possibilities. Okay, so please wait. I will explain you all the possibilities. Okay, I will explain you one by one. Okay, I'm coming to that point. So see here, under this only, we have so many files here. Is it clear? So this slash home slash Sudarshan, yes, right? So this PC, it's like the PC in Windows. Similarly, all the information will be available in this users home directory. This is like users personal workspace, you can tell. Okay, I will tell you users, that is the user's name. This is the default directory, right? And it also the users home directory, right? So you tell me currently which directory I'm in. Currently which directory I'm in now? Root directory, right? Root directory. Okay, okay, so root directory, currently I'm in root directory. So if I want to go to users home directory, what can I give? I can give cd and again cd Sudarshan is, right, or I can just combine cd dot dot. Okay, you can even give cd dot dot. Can I give like this cd home, like this, for example, cd home slash, like this? Can I give? Is it possible? I'm in root directory, right? Can I give like this? Yes, right? I can give, right? Okay. So see here, now where I'm in the users home directory. How to check? pwd. Now where I'm in, you can just combine this home and the users directory by giving slash. Is it clear? So now I'm writing the path to this user, that is Sudarshan S. So I can give home slash Sudarshan S. Is it clear? So from here, so see here, from here I want to go to root directory. You tell me what to give. I don't have to give dot dot again and again for 2 times for going to the root directory. Okay, what can I give? I don't want to give dot dot again and again. I directly want to give go to root directory by giving single command. What can I give? Can I give like this? What this will do? What is the meaning of this? If I give dot dot slash dot dot, what is the meaning of this? Like this. So see here, if I give what is the meaning of this is this dot dot will take me to one previous directory. Okay, and this dot dot will take me to the home directory. One more dot dot will make you to the root directory. Is it clear? 2 levels I'm moving back. So it will be in the root directory. Is it clear? So now to come back to home directory, what can I do? I want to come back to home directory now. Now I am in the root directory. Now I want to come back to the home directory. Okay, home you can give. Can I give like this? This tilde symbol. Is it possible? Yes, right? So this is nothing but users directory, right? Right? So if I execute, what happens? I'm in the users directory. Okay, it will directly go to the users home directory. Okay, now I'm in the users home directory. Okay, so now again I want to go back to the root directory. What can I do? What symbol I can use for root directory? Root means, can I give like this simply? It will go to the root directory, right? Is it clear? You can directly give cd slash to go to home directory. Is it clear? Shall we just summarize what we saw using the cd command? Cd and the directory name, if I give, what it will do? What will be the behavior? It will change path to given directory, right? Right? So then what we saw along with cd command, cd dot dot, right? What it will do? Cd dot dot, what it will do? Change path to parent directory, right? Yeah. So then cd tilde, what it will do? Users home directory, right? Yeah. Okay, then cd slash, what it will do? It will go to the home directory. It will direct you to the home directory. Yes, perfect. Okay. Okay, so are you clear with this? How to change the directories, right? Okay, so now where I am in, currently where I am in, I'm in the root directory. Okay, so you tell me from here, so from here you tell me how can I go to new directory? I want to go to new directory. So see here, see the flow chart and tell me. I'm in the root directory, I want to go to new directory. What can I, what can I, from here, from root, I want to go to new directory. Currently I'm in the root directory. This is my root directory. I have to go to new directory. What can I do? Okay, so how to write the path? I should go to home directory first, right? Okay, home directory first, and then only I can go to new directory. Now I'm in the root directory. Okay, there are no more directories before that backward. I can go to, I want to go to forward only. Okay, for that I have to specify the path directly. Directly I want to specify the path. For example, cd, yeah, there are many ways you can give. Okay, there are many ways you can give by any other way. I am choosing this path. Okay, can I give like this? Will it go to the new directory, guys? Just check and tell me. Can I give like this? Okay, so it will go to the new directory. Okay, this is the path, right? So suppose okay, so if I want to come to home directory again, if I want to come to home directory, what will be the path? From now I have to go to the home directory. What can I do? If I want to go backward, I have to give cd dot dot, right? Okay, cd dot dot. Okay, okay, how many levels I want to go back? Currently I'm in new. How many levels I have to go back? 2 levels, right? 2 levels, right? 2 times I have to give cd dot dot. Like, instead of giving cd dot dot, cd dot dot, what can I give? We can combine, right? What we can, cd dot dot slash dot dot, can we give like this? Okay, so this slash is separated. Okay, we can go to one level and then go to another level. We can't, like, we can't simply give 4 dots, right, without giving slash. Okay, cd dot dot will take me to one level back. From that directory, dot dot, one level back. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, you are in home directory now. Okay, is it clear? So from here I have to go to the new directory. Now tell me, what can I do? What is the command? What can I pass to the cd command? Now I want to go to the new directory. Cd new. Okay, can I give you like this? Okay, if I give, I am getting error, right? Cd, yes, perfect. Home slash new, yes, like this I can give, right? So name of the directory you can give. This tilde can be represented by slash home. Okay, or there is one more way. One more way I can give like this. See guys, cd hyphen you can give. Hyphen here means previous working directory. Okay, previously where I was executing the command, in which directory? New, right? New, right? Okay, so I can simply give cd hyphen also. If I give cd hyphen, again what will happen? Where I will be? It will be again in the new. If I give cd hyphen again, what it will be? Home. If I give cd hyphen again, so what is this, guys? cd hyphen, if I give cd hyphen again and again, alternatively it is switching like some behavior, right? Can you be able to relate with some real-time example? Like this hyphen will go to the previous working directory. This hyphen is like TV remote, right? For example, there will be one key, no, back key, to watch the previously watched channel, right? Right, you will be using the back button. No, similarly here also you can use this hyphen. This is same as that. You can compare with a TV remote back button example. Okay, so this hyphen will take you to the previous working directory. Okay, so see here what this cd hyphen will do. It will go to the previous working directory. Okay, okay, so now where I'm in new directory, right? Currently I'm in okay, if I give cd hyphen, okay, now I'm in home directory. Okay, so now I have to go to new directory. So what can I do? You tell me whether uh, which command I can give. Can I give like this? You tell, I will give some command, you tell me whether it is valid or not. Can I give like this? Is it possible? No. Why no? Why no? Okay, how are you telling it is no? It is already in home. Yes, perfect. Okay, so you are able to understand, right? So okay, so what can I do? What can I give? If I want to go to new directory. What can I give? From home I want to go to new directory. What can I give? You see the thing at Sudarshan, yes, and new, right? Okay, cd hyphen slash new. Okay, you mean cd like this, right? Yes, right, you can give like this. Yeah, so like this you can give. Okay, so this is called as the a relative path, you can tell. Okay, so there are two types of path actually. One, I gave some full path, right? Like this. This is starting with root till the current latest path. This is like absolute path, that is starting with root. Okay, another is it will be starting with the current working directory, that is nothing but the relative path. Okay, I will tell you, absolute path it always start with the root directory, and the relative path always starts with respect to the current working directory. Okay, is it clear? I will explain you. So here we have something called two types of path. Okay, so one is absolute path. It starts from root directory, right? And then we have something called relative path. It starts with current working directory. What you are getting confused, Anirudh? Tilt is nothing but users home directory. Okay, tilt is nothing but users home directory. Okay, what doubt you have? Please be more specific so that I can able to resolve it. Am I audible, guys? Yeah, it's same only. Yeah, it's same only, Abdul. Yeah, it's same only. User slash new. Yeah, it's same only. Users home directory is same. Yeah. Like what you do is like you just create some directories. Okay, I'll tell you when I teach you about creating the directory. Okay, after that what you do is I will give you some homework so that you practice uh, in the terminal. Okay, changing the directory so that you will be able to understand. Okay, just watching the videos you can't understand. Okay, you are going to practice it. Okay, yeah. So see here, let me give you an example, another example. Okay, let's say I can go to home directory. Now currently I'm in which directory? Can I give cd tilt so that I can go to home directory? Can I give like this? Is it possible? No. Why no? I can go, right? I can directly give cd tilt so that I can go to the user's home directory. Is it? It's possible. It's possible, guys. Okay, I can give cd tilt so that I can go to directly go to the user's home directory, right? So see here, from here I want to reach new. Yeah, home is not user. See here, see the flow chart. Is home and user is same? No, right? Then how are you telling it is same? It is different. Is it clear? Yeah. So see here, now I am in the home directory, right? Users home directory. Okay, from here I want to reach new. From the flowchart, you tell me how to go to new. From home, I want to go to new. What are the ways I can reach new from here? Even if it's wrong, it's okay. Please tell me in chat. Yeah, we are in user. I want to go to new. How to go? Can I give cd new? Is it possible? No. Why no? So new is under Sudarshan S only, right? Then what should I give here? So I can go, right? cd new I can directly give. Why you are telling no? Like new is under Sudarshan S only, right? See here. See the flow chart. Can you be able to relate it? Okay, it's under new only, right? Okay. Okay. So if I execute now, I'm in new directory. Okay. Let me again go back. What command I can give? cd to go back. Can I give cd hyphen cd dot dot? Okay. Like I need to go back to the users directory. What can I give? cd hyphen. Okay. If I give cd hyphen, what happens? I'm in the users directory, right? It's like a back button, right? Okay. Okay. You tell me, what are the other ways? What are the other ways I can give to go to new directory? What are the other ways to go to the new directory? Can I give like the cd slash home like this? Can I give to go to the new directory? Is it possible to do? Yes or no? No, right? How can I go? Because I'm in the users directory only, right? I can't go. I can't go, right? So how can I give cd? Simply give cd new, right? Can I give cd new simply? So it will go to the new directory, right? Simple, right? So first I was in slash home slash Sudarshan S. So now I'm in the slash home slash Sudarshan S slash new. Okay. So both the case I want to go to the new directory. What about the absolute path? Is it changing both examples? Normally before when I was in slash home, okay, also I'm getting the same path starting from the root directory. So whereas in this directory also I'm giving the same path only slash home slash Sudarshan slash new. Okay, it's not changing. It's clear. So now tell me, absolute path is what? It is constant, right? What about the relative path? Relative path will be constant or varying. It's varying, right? Yeah. So this is nothing but absolute path. This is constant. Okay. And relative path, it will be varies with respect to what? Current working directory, right? Okay. So whichever directory you are in, if you use absolute path, some absolute path, if you use it, it will work. Okay, the path you have to change accordingly to the present working directory. Is it clear, the types of path? Okay, I will tell you one real-time example so that everybody can understand. I will repeat it, don't worry. I will repeat with some examples. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. If you are still confused, I will give you one real-time example. See here, now I am in Bangalore. Okay, for example, now I am in Bangalore. Okay. I want to go to MRC office. I want to go to MRC office. Suppose in Bangalore, I'm in the place called Alsur. right? So I want to go to MRC office. Okay, how will you suggest me? What is the path you will tell me? Let's say I'm in Alsur. Okay, how will you tell me? Like, how will you say me the path? Yeah, bus transport. Okay, okay, that is a path. Metro. Okay, transport. Yeah, that's the means of transport, right? I'm telling the path, right? Okay, I will go to MG road, right? Okay, as Abhishek told. Okay, MG road I need to go. From Alsur I need to go to MG road. Okay, and from there, where I need to go? That is MRC, right? From MG road I need to go to MRC. From MRC some fifth floor maybe. Okay, from fifth floor, right? So like this. Okay, so this is one path, because currently I'm in Alsur. So from Alsur I need to go to MG road, and then from MG road I need to go to MRC, and then from MRC I need to go to fifth floor. So currently where I'm in? Currently I'm in Alsur, right? So this is nothing but current working directory. So this is called as the relative path. This is one path. Is it clear? So now if I want to start with root, how can I how can you suggest me the path? If I want to start with the topmost level directory, that is root, how will you suggest? You will suggest from world, right? World, Asia, right? Then India, then in India which state? Karnataka, then in Karnataka, Bangalore, then in Bangalore MG road, then MRC, right? Then fifth floor. Is it right? Okay, so second path, I'm giving the second path, right? Is it valid? Which one is valid? Which one is invalid? You tell me. Only one. First one, second one. Why? Why only one is valid? Both are valid, right? Both are correct path only. This path also will go to the MRC office. What about this path? This path also will go to the MRC fifth floor. Then why you are telling not valid? How are you telling? Both are valid, right? Both are valid path only. Okay. Which from this two, which one you can understand as a relative path and absolute path? You tell me. Yeah. Which one is a relative path? You tell me. One or two. One or two. One is relative. Okay, because it's starting with the current working directory. I'm in Alsur. From Alsur I need to go to MRC. That is my current working directory, right? So if I start with root, it's an absolute path, right? It's starting with the root. Okay, it is starting from the current location from where I am. That is relative path. First one. Second one is absolute path. So starting with the root, that is world. This is the complete path. Is it clear? So suppose okay, so let's say I am in Delhi. Okay, let's say I am in Delhi. See here, guys. Let's say I am in Delhi. Okay, will this first one will work? I'm in Delhi. Will this first one will work? Okay, if I refer to the first path, will it work? No, right? Will I be able to reach the MRC office? Definitely not, right? Definitely not. What about the second path? What about the second path if I am in Delhi? Can I reach the MRC office? Right? Yes, I can able to reach, right? So this is the absolute path. Okay, so wherever you are in across the world or globe, okay, if you use the second path or absolute path, you can able to reach the particular destination because it is a complete path, right? Okay, so accordingly you can change. For Delhi, you will understand that after India you need to go to Delhi, right? Second is the absolute path. It will take you to the particular path, but relative path, as it is varying from the current working directory, right? We can't refer to the current path all the time, right? Right? So in case of Delhi, what happens? If you want to refer the relative path, you will go to the wrong location, right? then we will be searching in MG Road in Delhi. Where is it? Right? It's in Bangalore only, right? It's not in Delhi. Can you be able to relate it? So I will not reach the destination, right? So if I want to write the relative path in the second case, like Delhi, we can go to Karnataka, then from Karnataka, Bangalore, and then MRC office we can go. Okay, so now the path, relative path is varying, right, with respect to the current working directory, right? So absolute path is the complete path. It is always the constant path, but relative path, it varies with the current working directory. That's what this point means. What is the difference between absolute path and relative path? Is it clear, guys? Yeah. So absolute path always starts from the root directory. Is it clear? So absolute path always starts with the root directory, guys. Okay. Yes. So absolute path always starts with the root directory. Okay. Okay, guys. Uh, okay. So okay. Tomorrow we'll learn about some how to create some directory by using some command. Okay, we'll learn about how to create some directory, how to create some files. Okay, those things we will learn tomorrow. Okay, we'll wind up the session for today. Like I will share the code. You can mark your attendance, guys. Like after marking your attendance, you can leave the session. Can you be able to see the screen? You can just scan your code and you can mark your attendance in LMS. Can you be able to see the screen? You can scan, or else you can use the student password also, 5150. Okay. So please be quick. This time will be available only for 2 minutes. Just make sure that you mark your attendance quickly, right? Like after marking the attendance, you can just inform in the chat and you can leave the session, please. Okay, thank you. Like if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me personally. Okay, I will reply. If you have any doubts, okay, you can WhatsApp me personally. I will reply you. Yeah, marked right. So you can leave the session, guys. Thank you. After marking, you can leave the session. Like if you don't know how to scan, there is a student password. You can give the password. Like orientation session, they didn't handle. They didn't. They didn't tell you. They didn't tell you how to mark the attendance. No. Okay. Okay. So I will tell them to
Sir,
conduct a
uh,
orientation session. Okay. I will tell them to conduct an orientation session. Like do one thing. You just ping me your full name. Okay. You just ping me your full name. I will mark your attendance, guys. Okay. You just ping me your full name with your uh, you just ping me your full name. I'll mark your attendance. Not here, not here, not here, not here, not here in chat, not in Google Meeting. Just WhatsApp me your full name. Just WhatsApp in group. Okay. Just send me your full name in group. I will reply you. I mean, I will mark your attendance. Not here, right? Okay, guys. Like, thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll wind up the session for today. You can leave the session, guys. Thank you. You can leave the session.